After discussing the first two property, which is reflexive and symmetric, I will be discussing antisymmetric relation. So what is antisymmetric relation? So antisymmetric relation is a definition, a relation R on a set A such that for all A relates B, if A relates B and B relates A, then A equals B is called antisymmetric. So I'll repeat it again. If A relates B and B relates A, then A equals B. So we can see that this is a conditional statement. So to fully understand what is a antisymmetric relation is, I'll be giving you an example. So we have example here. We have example number 5. What is example number 5? It has A that has a set of 1, 2, and 3. Relation 1, 1, 1, and 2, 2. Relation 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1. Relation 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, and 1, 3. So I'll put here again the conditional statement. A relates B, and okay, again, and B relates A, then A equals B. Okay. So let's start with R1 first. So what is R1? Let's type it here in R1. R1. Okay, so R1, we have this 1, 1 and 2, 2. Okay, let's look. So let's start with 1, 1. I'll say A, B, 1, 1. This already A R B. A relates B, so 1, 1. B relates A, so B, A, already 1, 1. So next, we have this critical statement. A must be equal to B. So A must be equal to B. Can we say 1 is equal to 1? Yes. So therefore, 1, 1 is a antisymmetric. Next, 2, 2. So I put check. Okay, 2, 2. I'll say A, put A here, B here. So 2, 2. So it means A relates B, 2 relates 2. So we're already done here. A relates B, so we'll be doing B relates A. So what is B relate A? B relates A is B, A, ready again 2, 2. So we already have these two sets. Okay, the next, the critical part, A equals B. They must be equal. So A equals B. So 2 is 2 equal to 2. Yes. So we can say 2 is 2. 2 equals to 2 is a 2, 2, or rather 2, 2 rather is a antisymmetric. So this is check. Thus R1, it is a antisymmetric. Antisymmetric. Okay. Let's move to R3 first before going to R2. So we'll analyze R3 first. R3 before going to R2. Okay, what is R3? R3, relation 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, and 1, 3. We already proved 1, 1, and 2, 2. So let's check them. Next, 3 comma 1 and 1 comma 3. What we have seen here, okay, so the difference between symmetric and antisymmetric is that antisymmetric has this critical part wherein A must be equal to B. If A is not equal to B, then it is not an antisymmetric. So let's look here again. 3 comma 1, so A, B, 3 comma 1, and so it means 3 relates 1, so we'll be looking at B relates A, so B relates A, B, A, 1 comma 3. Already found A relates B and B relates A, so we must prove this A equals B. So A equals B. A equals B. Is A is 3 equal to 1? No. So they are not equal. We can say R3 is not antisymmetric. Okay, let's move on with R3. Oh, rather R2. Okay, R2. I already proved this. I already proved R1 and R2. Let's move on with 3 and 1. So I'll write here 3 and 1. So I'll write it A, B, so 3, so 1. So we already have I'll write here this one. I'll write this here. So yeah, okay, so A relates B, and again and B relates A, then A equals B. Okay, we already have 3 comma 1, so this one is a truth value. Yeah, truth value. So B relates A. So what is again B relates A? B relates A 1 comma 3. But we cannot see 1 comma 3. Okay, we cannot see 1 comma 3, so it provides a false. Okay. Since it has no 1 comma 3, we can say R2 is already a antisymmetric. But to prove that it is a antisymmetric, let's look at this conditional statement. Oh, but before that, let's prove A equals B. Is A equals B? No. So is 3 equals 1? No, they're not equal. So it gives A equals B a false value. So what is T and F? It provides a false value. So what is F? Implies F. So as we learned in the previous lesson in this math, so F implying F is true. So it means R2. So it means R1 is already antisymmetric. So R2, we can now conclude R2 is antisymmetric. Okay, so now we are done discussing about symmetric relation and its example here. In the next video, I will be discussing antisymmetric relation. Thank you. So now we are done discussing antisymmetric relation. We are now moving to the next part of the property which is transitive relation. See you in the next video. Thank you.